Welcome to Model Maths Nagaraj Sir YouTube channel. First, please like, subscribe, and click bell button and share with your friends. Please don't skip the advertisements. Now, in this class, differentiation part 3, intermediate first year maths 1B. This is so in part 1 introduction and in part 2 11 very short questions we completed. Okay, very clearly I am explaining. I hope you understand very clearly. Please put in comment box your feelings. According to that, your comments I will make the next video in the better way. Okay, just recall the some few formulas. Okay, already you know very well. Yes, very good. So one is d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1, d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x, d by dx of a power x into log e, d by dx of e power x, d by dx of log x 1 by x, d by dx of constant 0, d by dx of sin x cos x, d by dx of cos x minus sin x, d by dx of u into v is u into du by dx plus v into d by dx. So based on using these formulas, not only this, we have almost of 32 formulas are there. Okay, in part 1 I told you we should 100% remember the all formulas because of this chapter, and these formulas very useful not only in first year maths 1b, in second year maths 2b integration chapter is there. In that also we have to use these formulas and this type of concepts. Okay, so that's why differentiation is very much learned. And important 1 7 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 2 2 marks questions. Almost all in this part 3 and part 4 we can complete all 2 marks questions. Let us see. Just to write down a small note. D by dx of f of g by x, f of g of x is equal to f dash of g of x into d by dx of f of x. So little bit change the questions compared with the previous part 2. Okay, how will be the questions? A small change on. Okay, see the question. If f of x is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power 100, then find f dash of x. Okay, this is the question. First, given that as usually read up, that is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power 100. We have to find f dash of x. To find f dash of x, taking derivation on both sides, differentiate with respect to x. Then we get to d by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power 100. Okay, this is look like, sir, we cannot split to whole power 100, even we don't know formula also. Okay, okay, so then how can we do this problem? Very simple. This is some algebraic function. The function consists whole power something. So you can think as this in the form of x power n. X means what? Some so and so terms. And whole power n means what? 100. Okay. Same formula. But in additionally we have to write something because of here x means something is there. So apply x. This is considered as single x whole power n. So we can write n into means 100 power x power n minus 1. X means what? X cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power n minus 1 means 100 minus 1. And into, again we should do derivation of x means x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13. Okay. So this is n into x power n minus 1 formula we use. Is it clear? Almost all in this part 3, the many problems are in this type only. Okay. Okay, in this way we should do. So which is equal to 100 into, this is as well x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power 99. Keep it. And here split the derivation to each and every term. So d by dx of x cube plus 6 into d by dx of x square plus 12 into d by dx of x minus d by dx of 13. Okay, so which is equal to 100 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power 99 into d by dx of x cube derivation. What is x cube derivation? X power n formation. Yes, 3 into x power 3 minus 1 means 2. Okay, directly we can write plus 6 into x power 2 derivation. So what is that? 2 into x power 2 minus 1 means 1 only, and plus 12 into x derivation 1 minus 13 derivation, constant derivation 0. Okay, almost all it is completed. So x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13 whole power 99 into 3x square, 6 2 ja 12x, 12 into 1 12. Okay, this is the answer. And moreover, you can take 3 common, am I right, in all terms. Take 3 common and 3 into 100. 300 into x square plus 4x plus 4 into x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 13. So this is the final answer. Is it clear? Very simple. First whole power 100 we cannot split. That's why the whole term considered as x the power n. So x power n formula. According to that, n into x power n minus 1 into d by dx of again this function we should take. And this is as usually in the previous part 1, part 2, how to we did like in the same process. Okay, let us go to next problem. Next 13th one, find f dash of x if f of x is equal to 7 power x cube plus 3x. Okay, so first given that, write down f of x is equal 7 power x cube plus 3x. Okay, write it neatly. So if to find f dash of x, so taking derivation on both sides. So d by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of 7 power x cube plus 3x. This is the question. So which formula we can apply? In the previous problem we applied x power n, but here it is some constant a, like a power some so and so x. So which formula? Very good, a power x formula. Okay, since d by dx of a power x is equal a power x into log a. Okay, so this treat as x, this algebraic function considered as x. So 7 power x means what we can write, 7 power x into log 7, like that. 7 power x cube plus 3x into log 7 and into d by dx of additionally what is instead of x, x cube plus 3x is there, that's why x cube plus 3x write down. So that's why note f of g of x derivation is derivation of f of x into derivation of g of x, like that. So this one there is nothing to change, as usually write down into log 7 as usually, and find this derivation of x cube plus 3x. Okay, directly I am doing x cube derivation, 3 into x power 3 minus means 2 plus 3 into x derivation 1. That's it. So in this we can take 3 common. So 3 into x square plus 1 into log 7 into 7 power x cube plus 3x is answer. Very simple. That's it. Okay. Next 14th one, find f dash of x if f of x is equal to log of x square plus x. First given that f of x is equal to log of x square plus x. So taking differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So we get d by dx of log of x square plus x. Now tell me which formula? Just think, see here major function is log. So log of so and so is there. So yes, very good. D by dx of log x formula can be applied. That is 1 by x. Am I right? D by dx of log x is 1 by x. So according to that, d by dx of sum, that is 1 by x, means 1 by x square plus x. Because of log of in place of x, x square plus x is there, into d by dx of x square plus x. That's it. So which is equal 1 by x square plus x into, split it, d by dx of x square plus d by dx of x. So which is equal to 1 by x square plus x into d by dx of x square is 2 into x plus d by dx of x is 1. Okay. So what we are getting, 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by x square plus x is the answer. Or if you take x common in this, we get x into x plus 1. Okay. Of course, no use if you take x common also. So finally, this is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Okay, in this model, next 15th question. Find f dash of x is equal to log of sin x. Log of sin x. How can we do the problem? Same type of problem. Please do it. Just pause the video, do the answer. After that, verify with me. Okay, here I am doing, of course. So here log of sin x is given. So log of sin x. So log of sin x also we can apply log x formula. That is log x formula is 1 by x means 1 by sin x into again d by dx of instead of x what is there, sin x is there. So sin x. So is equal to 1 by sin x into, now tell me sin x derivation, cos x. Very good. Cos x by sin x means what? Cot x. So cot x is the answer. That's it. 16th, same time, f of x is equal to, given that f of x is equal to log to the base 7 log x. Okay, so take a differentiation on both sides. D by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of log to the base 7 log x. So which formula we can apply? This in the form of log x. Okay, first this is considered log x. So what is log x derivation? Is 1 by x. So here log means log only, x plus again log x. So 1 by x means 1 by log x into d by dx of what is the function g of x? Log x. So think this is g of x. So 1 by log x into what is log x derivation? 1 by x. So finally answer is x into log x. This is the answer. So what about base 7? So don't there is nothing to consider about base here. Log any base is 1 by x formula. Next type problem. Yes, next to 17th question. Find f dash of x if f of x equal to log of sec x plus tan x. So given that to apply derivation on both sides. Now which formula we can use? Yes, log of x formation. So what is log x formula? Derivation of log x is 1 by x. So according to that we can x plus sec x plus tan x is there. So is equal to sec x plus tan x into again d by dx of sec x plus tan x. Okay, so this 1 by secant x plus tan x, keep it as it is, and here derivation of sec x. So d by dx of sec x plus d by dx of tan x. Okay, so which is equal to 1 by sec x plus tan x into d by dx of sec x. What derivation? Okay, we have to learn some more trigonometric derivations. After sin x cos tan x derivation, d by dx of tan x secant square x, d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x, d by dx of sec x into tan x. What is derivation of sec x? Sec x into tan x, and the derivation of tan x is secant square x. Okay, we must remember some more formulas also. In both secant can take a common, am I right? So we can take secant x common 1 into, so remaining tan x plus secant x. From this expansion we can take common, and by sec x plus tan x as usually. So see, the denominator and numerator same. So finally we got it, secant x. So this is the answer of f dash of x. Very simple. 18th question. Find f dash of if f of x is equal to log of cos h2x. So log of cos h2x को apply derivation d by dx of log of cos h2x. So which is equal to, see, this is log of some so and so. So log x derivation. What is that? 1 by x means 1 by cos h2x into derivation of that x term, that is cos h2x. Okay, first here we used d by dx of log x formula, that is 1 by x. Okay, next 1 by cos h2x write as it is, and here cos hx derivation. What is cos hx derivation? Cos hx derivation is sin hx. Am I right? In the hyperbolic functions, sin hx derivation cos hx derivation sin hx, tan hx derivation secant h square x. In the hyperbolic, first 3 are positive, next 3 are negative. Okay. So cos hx derivation sin hx, but here what is that? Cos h2x is there. So derivation sin h2x, but here again instead of x there is 2x. So that's why again derivation of that 2x. So to getting x clearly, until that we should do the derivation. Now this is sin hx by cos h2x. So immediately we can write tan h2x. Okay. Otherwise write one more step. Sin hx, sin h2x by cos h2x into 2. We can write outside x derivation 1. So 2 into d by dx of x. So sin by cos means what? Tan h2x into 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So answer is 2 into tan h2x. This is the answer. Okay. Next 19th, f of x is equal to sin of log x is given. Given that f of x is equal to sin of log x. So to find f dash of x, taking derivation on both sides, d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of sin of log x. So now tell me which formula. So this is nothing but f dash of x. Okay. Sin of some x. So sin x derivation cos x. So cos of log x we get. Again derivation of that x term, that is log x. So d by dx of sin x, first formula we used cos x. Next going to use log x derivation. This is as well cos of log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So what is the answer? Cos of log x by x is answer. F dash of x. Very simple questions. Okay, small questions. Next same, f of x is equal to cos 3 power x is given. So given that f of x is equal to cos 3 power x. So taking derivation on both sides, d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of cos 3 power x. Okay. So which formula we can use? D by dx cos x formula we can use minus sin x. Okay. In trigonometry, first sin x formula cos x. Next cos x formula minus sin x. Next tan x formula secant square x. Next cot x formula minus cosecant square x. Okay. Plus minus like that. So okay. So cos 3x, cos x formula minus sin x. So sin 3 power x we get. Again x place of 3x is there. So d by dx of 3 power x. So simplify this, minus sin 3 power x into, apply which formula? Yes, very good. A power x formula. A power x formula is a power x formula d by dx. That is a power x into log a. So based on that formula we can write 3 power x into log 3. Okay, complete. So completely answer is log 3 into 3 power x into sin power 3x. Sin 3 power x is the answer. You can write anyway, or you can write minus is there. Okay. Okay, or you can keep here answer also, no problem. No need to write. So minus sin 3 power x into log 3 is answer. Next to 21 question. Sin cube x. If f of x is equal to sin cube x, find f dash of x. How to solve this form? Same, first given that write down. Next d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of sin cube x. So see here, this sin cube x we can write as sin x whole cube. In trigonometric ratios we can apply. We can write sin square means sin x whole square. Sin cube x means sin x whole cube. Sin 4x means sin x whole power 4. Not only for sin, cos, tan, sec, like so on. So now which formula? Something power 3. This is in terms of x. So x power 3 formula. So x power n formula apply. What is that? N into x power n minus 1. So which is equal to 3 into sin x power 3 minus 1 into d by dx of sin x. Very good. So which is equal to 3 into sin power 3 minus 1 means 2. Sin square x into sin x derivation cos x. So this is the answer. Yes, next to 22nd question. If y equal to cos of log of cot x, then find dy by dx. Okay. So given that y equal to cos of log of cot x. Of course, if f of x is given, just write f of x is equal. Here y is going to be given, so write y equal. Now taking differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx of y, that is nothing but dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos of log of cot x. So which formula we first use? So cos of so and so. So d by dx of cos x formula. What is that? Minus sin x, since. Okay. So is equal to minus sin of log of cot x. Okay. Into d by dx what? So cos of x, cos of this is considered as x. So minus sin x. So what is x? log of cot x. So we get d by dx of, yes, log of cot x. Next, which formula we can use? This is same, minus sine of log of cot x. Write down this continuously. And here, which formula? Log of x. Very good. Log x formula, 1 by x. Very good. So second formula, d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So like that, according to that formula, d by dx of log cot x, we can write as 1 by cot x. Am I right? So 1 by cot x into, here in place of x, cot x is there. So again take d by dx of cot x. So that's why into d by dx of cot x. Okay. So which is equal minus sine of log of cot x by cot x by cot x, but don't cancel. This is log of sine of log of cot x. There is an attachment with these three functions of themselves. So that's why this is not log into cot to cancel. Okay. If it is sin x into log x into cot x by cot x, then we can cancel. But it is, okay, sine of log of cot x, like composition functions. This is written, and d by dx cot x is not written. What is d by dx of cot x? First sin x derivation cos x derivation minus sin x, tan x derivation secant square, cot x derivation minus cosecant square x. Okay. So into minus cosecant square x. See, minus into minus becomes plus. Okay. Cot x means cos by sin, cosecant means 1 by sin. No, nothing cancel. So what we get? Cosecant square x into sin of log of cot x by cot x is the answer. Okay. Cos by sin, 1 by sin square. Nothing cancel. So this is dy by dx. So in this way, any problem is given, we can do this way. Of course, I will tell you some more formulas, some more problems. If you are feel very easy or you know, then please pause the video. After writing question, you do the question and verify with me. Okay. Here I don't like to give homework, like, because of in the differentiation we have many problems. So that's why if you want to more practice, just open the textbook. There are many problems, many them. You just do the practice. Here also you can do. Okay. Next 23rd question I will give you. Listen. Okay, I given the problems 23rd and 24th. So if y equals sine inverse root x, find dy by dx. Okay. If you are understand, if you are able to do the problem, just pause the video, solve the answer. After that, verify with me. Okay. Okay. So given that y equal sine inverse root x. So find dy by dx. So taking derivation on both sides. Okay. So d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of sine inverse root x. Sine inverse root x. Which formula? Sine inverse x formula applied. What is derivation of sine inverse x? Tell me. I told you, you should remember all the formulas. Okay, again and again. Every day, at least only 10 consecutive days, or 15 days, or 1 week, or 3 days, or 5 days, or 20 days. Okay, depend on your knowledge. Okay, your talent. Repeat the formulas every day in the morning at least once. Okay, you just walk and read the formulas. What is d by dx of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. What is d by dx of root x? 1 by 2 root x. What is d by dx of a power x? A power x into log a. D by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. D by dx of constant equal 0. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Like so and so. You just read. Okay, if you do not get in this way directly, you just write on the paper. At least write left hand terms. D by dx of x power n equal to dash, leave it. D by dx of root x is equal to, leave it. D by dx of x log x is equal to, leave it. So write all left hand terms, and right after that close your notebook, textbook, and write the answers. Okay. Please do this method in 4-5 times. or 10 times or 15 times, how many times you do, that much betterment you will get. Okay, because of if you don't know the formula, even if confuse the formula, we cannot proceed the solution. So in this differentiation especially, we must learn formulas. Okay, what is sin inverse x formula? Very good, 1 by root 1 minus x square. So according to that, sin inverse root x becomes 1 by root 1 minus root x square, and into d by dx of what is x, root x is there, so root x. This is called 1 by root 1 minus root x square, means it cancel, we get 1 minus 6, into root x derivation 1 by 2 root x. So which is equal to 1 into 1 by 2 into root of x into 1 minus x. Okay, so this is the answer. Or you can simplify inside also again. So x into 1 x, x into x square is the answer. So similarly, see 24th also same type of problem. So given that y equal to log of sin inverse e power x. So derivation dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log of sin inverse e power x. So first to log x derivation apply. So log some x, that is 1 by x, means 1 by sin inverse e power x, into d by dx of that x, sin inverse e power x. So 1 by sin inverse e power x, keep it as it is. Now here sin inverse x derivation, what is that? Same. Very good. 1 by root 1 minus x square, but here e power x square, into d by dx again e power x. Okay. So 1 by sin inverse e power x into root 1 minus e power x whole square, means e power x whole square means e power x into e power x, means e power x plus x, means e power 2x. So e power 2x into e power x derivation e power x. That's it. So what is the answer finally? E power x by root 1 minus e power 2x into sin inverse e power x is the answer. This is dy by dx. Got it? So these are the some 2 marks questions. 24 are completed. 24 completed. So 25th question. Find the derivative of ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m. Okay. So this also we can complete in this part 3. Next part 4 after 25, means from 26 onwards, from up to 34 or 35 are there. So these questions are enough. So if you want more questions, please open the textbook after completion of next part or now also. So see the questions and try to solve the problems. You definitely you can solve the problems because of all type of concepts I covered. Okay, please do all problems in textbook for 2 marks problems. Okay, especially 2 marks type problems. Next, in the next parts, 4 marks and 7 marks questions also we will discuss. Because of we must know how to do the derivation if you know the formulas. So first learn the formulas and do the problems. This is very important chapter. That's why I'm repeated many times. Okay, please concentrate on this chapter especially. Because of in MSET, in the next level integration. Okay, so many times the differentiation is useful, and in the MSET exam, to find the limits answers within short way, in the shortcut method we use derivation to find the limits, and in easy way we can get the limit answers. Not only in MSET, in next if you go to degree also, there is a limits continuity chapter. There also differentiation, there is also integration. So limits, differentiation. Then next in second year you will get integration. These 3 are always come with you whenever you go to studies in mathematics. Means degree maths is there, engineering maths is there. Okay, in MSET also it is useful, like that. That's what I'm saying. Okay, take the problem. Find the derivative of ax plus b. So let I am taking f of x is equal ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m. Okay, take derivative means d by dx of f of x is equal d by dx of ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m. So which formula first? First u into b formula. Am I right? So u into means ax plus b whole power n into b derivation d by dx of b, that is cx plus d whole power m, plus v into means cx plus d whole power m into d by dx of ax plus b whole power m. So which formula we used here? D by dx of uv formula, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx formula used. Simplify ax plus b whole power n as this. So this is what cx plus d whole power m. We cannot apply dx d by dx of cx to d by dx of du. How? Why? Because the whole power m is there. So x power n formation. So that is m into x power m minus 1 into again d by dx of some cx plus d. Now it is completed. For this is, and after that plus cx plus d whole power m. Yes, cx plus d whole power m. So as it is write down cx plus d whole power m into derivation of this expansion, that is n into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into d by dx of ax plus b. Okay. So here since we used d by dx of x power n formula, that is n into x power n minus 1. Simplify ax plus b whole power n into m into cx plus d whole power m minus 1 into c is a constant, x derivation 1 plus d only single constant, that is derivation 0, completed, plus cx plus d into whole power m into n into ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into here also a into x derivation 1, so a into 1 plus b derivation 0. Directly I wrote the one direct step, no problem. C into 1 c, so c into m, c m ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m minus 1 plus here a into 1 a plus 0 a into n into cx plus d whole power m into ax plus b whole power n minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay, next continuation or some more 2 steps, just simplification. So which is equal to cm into c, this cx plus d whole power m minus 1. So we can write that here on I am writing cx plus d whole power m means cx plus d whole power m by cx plus d. Okay, here also this n, this a, this c plus d whole power m, same ax plus d whole power n minus 1 means ax plus b whole power n by ax plus b. Okay, simply suppose a power some m minus n is there, we can write a power m by a power n. Okay, in from 6th class, 7th class like onwards we'll learn that formula. So now which is common? Ax plus b whole power n, ax plus b whole power n common, cx plus d whole power m, cx plus d whole power m common. So ax plus b whole power n into cx plus d whole power m, if you take out common, then remaining is cm by cx plus d plus here an by ax plus b is common. So this is the final answer of given function derivation is this one. Is it clear? Okay friends, first I thank you for watching our classes, our videos regularly, and please subscribe your friends also, please share with your friends. Okay, thank you. For next part, please search differentiation part 4 by Nagaraj sir. In that remaining 2 mass questions we can complete it. Okay, and then next part 5 we can start 4 mass questions. Okay, thank you.